Hi, guys. Happy Thursday. Hopefully, you're having a good day today. I wanted to, today, before you started, go over maybe some helpful tips to help you with some of your assignments for today and that were for this week. I noticed that there weren't that many people who had filled in their weather chart so far this week. And springtime is a perfect time for us to do this project because every day in spring it seems like it has different weather. So I wanted to show you how to get there. Okay, so first you need to be in Google Classroom. Make sure you're in Social Studies Science. This is a science project. Okay, you're going to scroll down. I'll go here so you can see it until you see Meteorologist Project. Then you're going to need to open it. Okay, when you're here, you'll scroll down. Many of you did already do the questions, which is awesome. You read the story and you filled in the questions for activity 1. But then this week, you were supposed to scroll down to activity 2 where it says weather diary. Okay, Monday through Friday. It says you'll need to record the weather in your weather diary. Step outside for a minute and observe cloudiness, precipitation, and wind. Okay, maybe even just from your window in your bedroom. Okay, and the top box, you are supposed to fill in the temperature each day. Maybe ask your parents to use a weather app, ask Alexa, watch the news, Google it on your computer, okay? Chicago temperature today, okay? And you're supposed to fill in the temperature. Then you're supposed to go in these boxes and just put an X, okay? So telling me about the cloudiness. Are there none today? Scattered clouds means a little bit, mostly clouds, or overcast clouds. Then tell me about the precipitation, the water that's coming down from the clouds. Is there none? Is there snow? Is there sleet? Is there rain? The windiness for every day. So if you did not do that this week, then make sure that you do today, Thursday, and hopefully you can at least remember yesterday. Okay, and then I can give you partial credit for that. Some of you said you've been doing it on paper. Can you try to fill it in today on the computer now that I showed you how to do it? Okay, now tomorrow you don't have any new assignments, but I do want you to fill in your weather tracker tomorrow. Okay. All right, and then the last thing I wanted to tell you about today before you go ahead and do your assignments is you're going to have a math assignment that says for you to do 11.2, find the perimeter slides. So today you're not actually going to go to Think Central. You're going to go to this slideshow and open it. Okay, so same thing. I'm going to show you where you're going to see it on Google Classroom. Math. You're going to scroll down. Oops. In the stream. Now it's not posted yet on the stream, so that's why I can't find it here. But you'll see it. It looks like this, 11.2, find perimeter, day 2. You need to open it. Okay. And then you're going to, oh, it's opening. Reread all the slides that are kind of reviewing what perimeter is. Oh, of course, it's being slow now. Oh boy. Okay, come on. Do, 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 do. Okay, so you'll reread this to remind yourself what perimeter is. There's a little poster that reminds you, and this little girl's asking, how do I find the distance around? It gives you the reminder of what you learned in your Think Central lesson yesterday. And then another little helpful tip of something new, that if you have missing sides, but you know it's a rectangle, then you actually have a way you can figure out what those missing sides are. And make sure you read this direction right here. It says slide away the question marks to figure out what's behind those question marks. And then these last slides are the ones that you're going to actually fill in. So it says first fill in the missing side lengths. Use what you just learned on this page to help you figure out the missing side lengths. So you have to fill in this box. Like if this side is 6, then you know this side is 6, so you fill it in. If this side is 2, then you know this side is 2, so you fill it in. Then over here, you need to figure out the perimeter of that whole shape. So write your whole addition equation. Right up here, I gave you a reminder. Perimeter equals length plus width plus length plus width, right? So 6 plus 2 plus 6 plus 2. So you're going to write that and your answer right here. Okay, so you're going to do that for all of them. Same thing for this slide. And the last slide is a little bit of a challenge. You're going to use these squares and drag them to make a shape. And that shape that you make is going to have 12 as the perimeter. Your squares need to connect. And just like we learned in the first lesson of perimeter, you could just count them one at a time around the outside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this one only has 8. So I'm going to need to somehow continue adding more so that it will have 9 at the start of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I only have 11. So now I have to figure out a way to make this into get 11. So this is a challenge slide. Try your best to have a little fun with that one and move things around. And then for reading today, you're going to get to see Jumanji again, but we're going to analyze the illustrations of Jumanji. Okay. For writing, you're going to fill in your writing journal, the last entry into your journal in time. I hope you have a good day. Please check in with us at 12:30. Use your assignment tracker like I showed you the last couple of days to see which assignments you've already turned in and which ones you still need to do. Bye, guys.